Hey guys, welcome to a new video from Play With Me, Toys for Kids. Today is the demo for our Chomper the Excavator from the Dig and Rig series of Play-Doh. And our excavator here is ready for our brick wall to take apart our wall. But first, we have to set up the wall and the traffic cones. So how to do that is what you're going to see. So first we're going to start with the brick wall. Let me get the Play-Doh out, the whole thing. And in this back piece here is our brick press. So we'll get some out and started. Here's our first piece. Okay, here you can see our bricks, our pieces for the wall. They're just laying here randomly, so we do need to get them set up into a wall. So Chomper the excavator with his claw is going to help us out. Let's go! Whoops, that one fell down. Set that back on top. Alright, we'll help Chomper because that's super high wall there. Okay, next we are going to take the black Play-Doh, the glittery black Play-Doh, and make our traffic cones here. So we've got to protect the building station. Okay, so our traffic cones that we made are lying around, so we need Chomper to set them up around our wall. So he is going to do the job for us now. Okay, so Chomper is asking if we can help him stand these cones up. Of course, no problem. So he's going to put him in the right spot. We can get him to stand up so that we can protect our wall here. Let's get our next one, move it over. Whoops. Pick it up again. Okay, got it. Nice. Stand that up. Get the next one. Put it in place. There we go. And put it back here. And another one up here. We'll place it in the front. And the rest of them too. Grab 2 at once there, nice. And we'll stand those up for you, Chomper. Cool. So we've got 3 left over. We'll put those on the side in case we need extras. Alright. We'll help stand those up as well. So, Chomper the Excavator has done a super job today with his claw and with his press to make the bricks. As you can see here, as I said, always look behind the eyes for the forms, the little presses, to make something extra. So here we made our traffic cones, and the wall, of course, we had to build somehow. So we used the press here in the back of the tractor, or of Chomper, to make the brick presses back there. Super cool. And here we've got something to push as well. This can be used as kind of a shovel back there. Very nice. So I think Chomper the Excavator is a super cool toy. Another toy from the Dig and Rig series, which totally worth buying if you guys want to check it out. I think this is a super fun toy. You can make things out of Play-Doh, use Chomper to move things around. Lots of fun things you can do. You could get other colors of Play-Doh too if you wanted to make different color bricks or different color traffic cones, whatever you guys want to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know how you liked Chomper the Excavator, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!